If you are a man, you are full of resentment, munna wa pelwana, munna wa ufela pelo, you cannot stay with a woman. Elwena munna wa ungala, wanyaga uretelechwa, musadi atela uretelecha papa. Musadi unyaga wena, ibe wena wa umuretelecha, wa umurata, wa umutswara gabutse. Wa udira hore liga o bona hore kare a gipshina mothabishe nyaka tsela ya hore le buelelane le thabisane le lebalelane. When you do so wa mo bona belo ka sibiana sa o nyaka o neneketsa sibiana. In fact, let me just say, a fragile vessel wa bona galase o itshwara ga botse wa tswara e ka ba yawa e da thubega he ka ba yawa a ona motho yo a khona o bolela dilo ka tratelano tshwana le musadi. Musadi a kwatile aka o botsa le dilo tsa 1980 aka o botsa dilo ka tratelano wena o libetse mara musadi memory wa musadi o khona o tshwara a o biele tsona ka lenaneo o re o ile one dia so now Bible ere ke sebiana sa go nyaka o neneketswa. When he o dire ka ona tsela yeo wa ba le thompo musadi uta utompa he wena mo thompa le ena musadi uta utompa. Bible ere re dire ka ona tsela yeo so that our prayers may not be hindered. It doesn't matter how much you pray. O ka no ba o rapela le thabeng wa rapela le ka dinukeng. These days ke bona ba bangwe ba rapela le di mo maswika ba khatha di nepe bangwe ba tsena le ka Facebook live ba le di thabeng ba rapela. Let me tell you, if you pray and your wife is crying at home, your prayers will not be answered. If you pray and you are mishandling your family, your wife, let me tell you, your answers, your prayers will not be answered because there is someone. In fact, before you bless the world outside there, be a blessing to your wife. Be a blessing to your wife. Be a blessing. Shegufacha musadi wa hao. Imat shegufacho musadini wa hao. Imat shegufacho. Let me tell you, musadi is the greatest test. Yao testable nabe hao. I said something earlier on, Gare. We know too much about women. We know too much about marriage. It was a myth. Yes, very rinobolela fela satse. But when you get married, your patience will be tested. Yes, the way you love will be tested. The way you share will